Today, I will show you how to create a logo with artificial intelligence in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. For this project, we will use a new AI tool that can generate not only images but also logos, and it is very simple to use. First of all, go to the website and sign up. After that, we need to connect our Figma account. Don't worry if you don't have one, you can create it for free. And now we can start creating our first logo. For that, we need to click on Create Asset. And as you can see here, we have different templates for different purposes. And now let me show you some tips to get better results. The first tip is to be as specific as possible when describing your idea. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. And here you can add some keywords and reference images to help the AI generate the right logo. And also you can try different prompts and see which one works best for you. And the last tip is to use the AI as a starting point and not as an end point. So don't be afraid to make changes and add your own style. So let's choose logo. Now we need to describe our idea and click on Generate Assets. With its modern and clean interface, you will be able to generate high-quality logos for your projects without any design skills. So try it today and take your projects to the next level. And after that, we will have 10 different logos that we can use in our projects. As you can see, we have many different styles of logos, and we can use them in different colors. But sometimes we need to make some changes in the design. As you can see here, we have a logo for a bakery and all the layers are editable. First of all, we need to think about the business and the industry. And in this example, we will create a logo for a coffee shop. And now we need to choose a style for the logo. And in this case, we will use a modern and minimal style. After that, we need to choose the colors. And in this example, we will use black and white colors. And now we can generate the logo using the same process that I showed before. And here we have 10 different logos that we can use in our project. And if we open the Layers panel, we will see that we have different layers with different elements. And if we go to the Appearance panel, we will see all the colors used in the logo. And if we want to change the color of an element, we just need to select it and change the color. And also, we can change the font of the text. And if we want to delete an element, we just need to select it and press the Delete key. And after that, we can export the logo and use it anywhere. For that, we have 2 options. The first option is to use the same prompt and click on Generate Variations. And the second option is to edit the logo directly in Figma. And for that, we need to click on Edit. And here we have many different options to customize our logo. We can change the colors, the shapes, and also the text. And when we finish, we can download the logo and use it in our projects. And now, let me show you some examples. And now, let me show you how to generate a logo from scratch. And as you can see, we have logos with different styles, and we can use them as inspiration or edit them directly in Figma. This tool is a powerful and easy-to-use AI tool that can help you create logos in minutes. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.